These are prescription, and I've never worn colored prescription lenses, so I'm really excited. So we're gonna put those in first. Orange. I look like a real housewife. This stuff is shiny. I didn't expect it to be so shiny. When I use tape to stencil, I put it on my palm first to remove some stick so it's not like harsh on my face. One of the most bizarre horror memories that I have from being a kid was this one memory of trick-or-treating, and I must have been very little, like 3 years old, because I know that I was with my aunt and I know that I was in Michigan. So it was trick-or-treating time, but it was snowing. And my little new to the world brain did not know what to do with this image, but what I saw was a jack-o'-lantern head man who was lit up like a jack-o'-lantern, and he was stumbling and steam was coming off of him. I started screaming and crying. I thought it was just, it still is, that's an insane thing to see. I just remember my aunt picking me up and just running with me. That image haunted me. It was like more fantastical than anything I'd ever seen in any movie, and it haunted me for years. And one day I actually asked about it, and someone was like, oh, that was just a drunk guy. And I was like, what the fuck? Like, I think that a drunk guy had put a jack-o'-lantern on his head. I still don't know. I know with all my heart that it was like lit up from the inside. I was like, well, why was there like steam coming off him? That's what I thought was super scary. And it was just like, it was just him being drunk and it was snowing, so there was steam coming off him. And I still think whatever my child imagination was doing and what actually happened in real life is super horrifying.